The offices of this Peruvian startup are just as trendy and cutting edge as its rivals in Silicon Valley or New York. Creana has grown to become one of the biggest platforms for online learning in Latin America with 450,000 students. The company offers courses that range from web design to animation, and its founders say they were able to successfully launch it because of Peru's strong economy.
We started 3 years ago being 2 people. Right now we are 40 people in the company, and we're aiming to close this year with 57 people working with us and turning more than $2 million in a whole year.
Peru might not be the first place you think of as a generator of startups, but Latin America is expected to become a new battleground for global tech giants because of its lower living and administration costs, as well as sustained economic growth. International investment in Latin American startups has more than doubled since 2013.
There's a lot of startups coming to Peru from Mexico, Colombia and the US. We're in a great position because our strategy is aimed towards seeking investments, and these new companies are coming and breaking records.
There had been concern that growth would slow because of the recent resignation of Peru's president over a corruption scandal, but not everyone thinks so. Despite the recent political turmoil, economists say the Peruvian economy is expected to grow by up to 4% this year. Thanks in part to record Chinese investment, Peru has one of the region's best performing and fastest growing economies. Part of the reason is strong foreign investment. China is leading the pack with investment soaring to more than $20 billion a year.
10 years ago, our first main market in the world was the United States. The second, the European. The third, Japan. Now, China is the first, and the United States is the second. But that's in trade issues.
Peru has ambitious plans to remain one of Latin America's top destinations for international investment. That suits startups such as Creana, who plan to bank on that success. Dimitri O'Donnell, TRT World, Lima, Peru.